Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for My Creative Scrapbook. Today I am using the December main kit, and the main kit featured the Simple Stories Vintage Dear Santa collection. It also came with some pattern paper from a memory place, Dear Santa. And one of those pieces of pattern paper I completely fussy cut. It was full of vintage images, and I wanted to expand the die cut ephemera I had by fussy cutting the entire page. The layout I am doing today is actually the last layout I created with the kit. I created 4 layouts with the kit. And this one is really great when you have lots of scraps left over because you're just using strips. These are 1.5 inches wide, maybe 1.25 inches wide. And what I did is I used my We Are Memory Keepers banner punch board to notch the top and the bottom of each one of these strips. And then I'm just arranging them all in a row across my layout. I did go through and machine stitch over the top of these, and I also added some smaller strips of pattern paper to the top. I have 2 photos here that I'm scrapping of my husband and myself going to the tree farm. I think maybe 2 years ago. We cut down a tree, and I wanted to make use of the tree farm stickers and die cut ephemera that I had. There was this vintage truck with fresh cut Christmas trees on it, and there's this chipboard piece that also had the fresh cut tree farm on it. I didn't mention, but the chipboard is from Echo Park Santa Claus Lane collection. What I wanted to do on this layout is create 2 embellishment clusters, one in the lower right and one in the upper left. So I am going to put that pickup truck in the lower right and the chipboard for the tree farm in the upper left. And because some of these pieces are stickers, and I want to make them the same level as my photos, I put foam and recycled chipboard behind my photos. I want to also pop up these stickers to be at the same level as my photos. So I'm putting foam tape on the stickers and then adding some baby powder so that the sticker isn't sticky anymore on the back, and I can just use my foam tape to adhere it to my background. Then I'm going to go through and add whatever other die cut ephemera pieces or stickers that I think are appropriate on here. So there's a little tree that I added above my truck, and another sticker that had the Christmas trees on it, a little sign. And then I had this die-cut Christmas tree left over from something else I was doing, and it happened to be on my desk. So I just grabbed it. It's just die-cut from cardstock from one of my dies, and I added that to the back of the pickup truck. I just thought it needed something more. Then I'm adding this vintage deer in the upper left. He is just so adorable. This is one of the pieces I fussy cut from the Memory Place Dear Santa collection. And like I said, there was one piece of pattern paper that was strictly these cute vintage images that I fussy cut out, and that's where he came from. Then I'm adding another sticker in the upper left with a bird and some holly there. On the Simple Stories Vintage Dear Santa sticker sheet are a bunch of phrase stickers. So I chose one of those. It says a happy day, and I put that below my cluster in the lower right. One of the last things I did was add some dimension using my Pops of Color Glitter Snowflakes from scrapbook.com. I still thought my layout needed a little more, so I added some splatters of green spray mist on here. My Creative Scrapbook puts together 4 kits every month. Again, I am using the main kit. They also have a creative kit, a limited edition kit, and an album kit. Go check them all out. They would make wonderful Christmas presents for the scrapbooker in your life. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.